What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kasey, and I'm back again with another video. Of course, this one is going to be a fashion video. I'm actually going to be talking about my Princess Diana Gucci bag. I have officially had it for 1 year, and I want to do a 1 year review. So I honestly just keep it in my duster bag here, and it really has a lot of things going on. So this is her in all of her glory. Love her. Yeah, so this is her. This is the strap I typically use, but it also came with this strap as well. But I use this one for casual days. So yeah. I would wear it with this makeup look because it clearly goes with the makeup look, but I don't feel like the strap goes with this strap. So yeah. So overall, the bag is still secured for the most part. There is this stain here. I don't know how that got there. Yeah. And then I feel like it's just a little dusty in there. But the handles are still great. The straps are still great. And if you want to know the history behind this bag, check out my other YouTube video because I go in more detail about why it's called the Princess Diana bag, and the history behind the bag is in that video. So a couple of things. I really like the amount of space it has in here. Oh, praise the Lord, my perfume is safe. I thought I lost it in my bag of makeup, but it's not. Okay, so wonderful. I think that this bag is perfect. I have a whole bunch of junk in here. I keep my purse hanger in here. I honestly got this off of Amazon for eight bucks. But I love it because, I mean, if you want to be extra, okay, if you want to be do the most, get you a purse hanger. It's a level of class that just people are not ready for. When you pull out and hang it up on your table, I mean, it throws the people off. You have the people shaking. Now, let me tell you something. Whenever I go on a date and I carry this bag, I need to let you know that I'm that girl and don't play with me, right? So on top of the bag, because clearly this is a look, when I pull this junk out, it sets the tone for the date. I promise you. I am not kidding you. I wish I could make this up. I don't even know how to explain it. But I have literally heard this comment from someone I was on a date with and someone that I just saw at a restaurant. We were not on a date. And both men said they knew I was about that business, about that action when I pulled this bad boy out and hung my purse on the edge of the table, because they knew that I was that girl. Because I'm not sitting here with it behind me. I'm not sitting it on my my chair. I was professionally prepared. Okay, $10 is gonna set the tone for every day. This, moving on, because I have officially gone on too long. But at first glance, I really thought that this purse would be too small. It's super dainty. But I was okay, I know I don't carry much keys in a wallet anyway. And that's really all it's for. Your keys, your wallet, your perfume, and purse hanger, mirror, and lip stuff. That's literally all it's for. But it can hold a lot. I will say that. It can hold a lot. It's extremely durable to me. It still has kept its shape, and I don't use a shaper on the inside. One thing that I'm gonna try to do is take some water and get this stain out. Okay, yeah. So Q-tip, sponsor me. Because you have never seen someone use a Q-tip the correct way before in your life. But I just take a small Q-tip with just water and just get all of the dirt and stuff off that I want to get off. Like if there's something on the side, I just take water and get it off so that like it's small, it's not like gonna do the most. And I will say that it works. You do have to put a little bit more like elbow grease like in it, I feel. But I think it's better because it's like white and it's not gonna like stain your material. And this bag was my favorite bag. Now, some things that I would love to change this next year about this bag. I want to send these handles back to Gucci and get them like engraved on the inside with my name. And then I honestly want to buy a different color. I'm thinking red if they have it to match this, or a pink, so that when I go to AKA events, if I have one green and one pink, you won't be able to tell me nothing. Nathaniel, you hear me? So I think that this is like still super classy even without the straps, but I was told that it's best to keep the straps like on there like overnight, because then it'll keep the bamboo from like getting really weird and really funky on you. That's just what I heard. I don't know. I don't plan on testing that theory. But overall, do I regret buying this bag? Absolutely not. If I could carry this bag every single day with every single outfit, which I could, I would. Like, this bag may have been like, I think it was like under $3,000. I'll say that. I think it was under $3,000. But this bag was the perfect, like, perfect capsule purse. It was like, if you're talking about a capsule wardrobe, get you some staple like accessories. People love to go crazy over accessories, but when I tell you this bag is just a cute like little throw on bag, like you don't have to think too hard about what this goes with, because it's white, well, it's cream. So technically, like if you look at it, see, I just got that stain out. I think that that was like because of this. Like this was down here and I think it left a little mark on there. So now that I have noticed that, I'll definitely make sure to keep the handles off of this from now on. But as you can see from the bag, it's not like Snow White, so you can only wear it in the summer, but it's like cream. So it, or off-white, whatever you want to call it, it's not true white. So it makes it easy to wear this in the winter, summer, spring, fall. 10 out of 10, would recommend this bag. Would I go bigger than this? Probably, just because I love the bag. Like, the bag is where it's at. But yeah, so that's my Princess Diana bag moment, because she is that girl. She is that girl. And when I carry this girl, I feel like that girl. Okay, so just keep that in mind. Get you a timeless piece and make it happen, Captain. Okay. Peace out. I'll see you for another bag review of the Chanel bag. For those who are interested in which bag I'm talking about, I'm gonna leave that video up here as well, so you can see the history on that bag, and then I'll tell you if I regret it or not. And that video, I have a lot more to discuss, because I actually may have to send that bag out. So we're yet in prayer over that Chanel bag. Okay. All right. Bye.